to Miami, how you guys feeling? On the next drop, I want to see everybody jump. You ready?